Hey there, it's Danish again. In this video, we are going to cover how you can automate your opportunities using workflows and pipeline stages. However, if you want to learn the differences between pipelines and opportunities, I have created a video for that. I'll be attaching the link inside somewhere inside this video so you can click and watch the differences and then come to this so that your overall concepts are clear. Now, so we are just going to cover very basic stuff using workflows, like when how you can create an opportunity inside pipelines stages, how the pipeline stages can then be changed through different triggers, like if a lead replies, so it will be automatically changed, and like if you just drag a particular lead to appointment booked, so it will be sending a link of the calendar. Uh, so so first thing you want to do, you just have to come to the automation and then create a workflow from scratch. Now, remember that every workflow has a trigger, and in this trigger, we are going to be using a form submitted. And we have created a form already, find opportunity, right? First thing we want to do is we just just for our own purpose, we just want to tag it as a new lead, right? And then second thing, you just want to create an opportunity inside your pipeline. Remember, our pipeline name is um, website marketing, and we just created a um, opportunity inside our pipeline stage, which is new lead, right? Now, second thing is that you always wanna send an internal notification or an email, I guess. Yeah, we just again do that. Internal, send internal notification. Oh, okay. Okay, so we are just going to send an email that lead just came through contact contact um, contact first name ASAP. Here are the details for the lead, right? Name, email, phone, right? We have to give custom values for that. So the name is full name, email is email, there's the email, and then phone is phone, right? So once we have done that, so we just need to tell a email address, so we'll use test, right? Once that is done, you can also send an email to the lead that greeting them that they have submitted a form, and what are the next steps, right? So thank you for submitting your query. Our sales team will be in contact with you. In the meantime, you can visit our website. You can visit our website, right? So that's done. That's the creating opportunity, right? Okay, publish it. So that's the very first step, and this is not limited to that part. You can do a lot of things in here if you want to, but just let's just stick to simple things in this video, right? So now, once you have created an opportunity, now there could be scenarios where a lead is going to reply that I want to schedule a call right now, or maybe in one day, or I'm not available. So in that scenario, we are just going to create a workflow so that when a lead replies, we can change the pipeline stage to lead replied and then do some actions, right? So the trigger will be lead replied, and that comes under reply. If a customer replies, now there are different filters to choose from. So we will be choosing reply to a workflow. What is the workflow? The name is creating an opportunity, right? So in that, we just wanted to update our pipeline stage from new leads to lead replied, right? So the pipeline is website marketing, and if the opportunity is found, we are going to update the status stage. This is there. Okay, so we just have to define pipeline, and then we are going to say that it's lead replied, right? Okay, so replied, right? Now we can again do a lot of things like send our sales manager or sales team their response, so that they can, if they have scheduled a call, so that they can know that the lead is not there, or there is an emergency with the lead. Um, so once that is done, then we also want to do is when we drag. So opportunity status changed from now in pipeline, website marketing, um, moved from status. Now we just want to do it as moved pipeline stage is appointment booked. That's it. In pipeline stages, status filter. Okay, so we also need to give it a pipeline status. Right. So once that is done, we are just going to send them a email in which our booking calendar link will be available. Right. Hey there. Hey, you can book. Hey, we can personalize it using the contact first name. You can book your your appointment. Here is the link to book your appointment. Right. Right. So that is also published. That is the stage changed to appointment booked. Right. Once that is done, so we are just going to test what we have created. Right. Now in the forms, we have a form here. View that. Now the first name will be this, and this is done. Now this is done. We just have to make sure that it's inside the system. So it's inside our system. We are just going to check what has happened so far. So the email has been sent, right? Our sales team will be in contact with you. Now, if a lead replies, let's see what happens, right? Now, I'll be replying to this, right? So I have replied it, and let's see what happened in the opportunities tab. So you can see that here is the lead replied. So I've replied it inside the email. It has changed the stage from new lead to lead replied. So once I drag this opportunity to appointment booked, then it will be sending me that email in which the appointment booking link will be available. So if I click on the contacts, so I think we have done a mistake here. So status changed is something we use for the status change. Like we have to change the status from open to won or lost, right? So we have to delete that part here. Um, right. Uh, we can delete it and we can add opportunity pipeline stage changed, right? So in pipeline, website marketing and pipeline stage is appointment booked. Now it will work fine, right? So let's just test that as well. So let's just change the status from appointment booked to lead reply, and then we again change that status from stage from lead reply to appointment booked, right? So let's go to the contacts again. Now we are in the contacts, and if we click on the contact, so you can see that email has gone that here is a link to book an appointment. So this is how you are going to automate your opportunities using workflows and pipeline stages. I really hope that you like this video and you also find this informative. Thank you.